Hello folks, Akshay Gupta here. And if you are a YouTuber agency owner, ad specialist, or a small and medium business owner, you know that unique videos like 2D, 3D animation, motion, sketch, and doodle, etc. are the lifeblood of any online or offline business. But this can quickly turn into a headache for you. You know why? Because using copyrighted or other videos and animated characters will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good copyright-free visual asset and videos. Creating original 3D characters and videos requires a lot of skills and talent. Creative subscription services cost hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single video. I've even spent thousands of dollars every month for a good high-quality 2D or 3D video. The list goes on and on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're facing at least one of these problems. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution. It has changed the game for every video creator out there. Imagine if you're being able to create and generate your own video and 3D characters. Make unlimited stunning videos without any skills. Sell unlimited 2D and 3D assets and videos to your customers and charge any amount. Access thousands of pre-made videos, along with an advanced video editor and image editor. Sounds unbelievable. Introducing VidMoto, world's first AI-based video creator platform that turns your old boring video into a breathtaking one in any niche in just 30 seconds, plus thousands of inbuilt pre-made video templates. With VidMoto, you are just 3 simple steps away from starting your own video agency and sell unlimited videos in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and select ready-to-use templates or start from scratch even. Step 2. Add your text or music, and AI will automatically add sound waves and subtitles on any video. Step 3. Preview or download in one click, create unlimited videos, and use it for yourself or sell to your clients, and keep the profits. With VidMoto, you'll get professional AI-based video maker cloud-based platform, AI-based automatic sound wave generator, AI-based automatic voice to subtitle generator, 100+ high-quality ready-to-use templates, inbuilt image-to-sketch converter tool, inbuilt photo background removal feature, searchable stock assets feature with no copyrights, AI-based voice over generator feature. Sell unlimited assets, VSL and videos to earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience required. Commercial license included. Complete design suite, boost your video clicks. Compatible with every design software. Unlimited downloads with no monthly fee. Step-by-step training and much more. And you're not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers, and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with VidMoto. Till now, VidMoto has created 421,792 plus normal HQ and animated videos. It's huge. And now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.